the crystal raindrops fall, and the beauty of it all is when the sun comes shining through to make those rainbows in my mind. When I think of you sometime, and I want to spend some time with you.
We have come here rejoicing into the house of the Lord for this celebration. And now we stand with Daniel and Samantha as they prepare to receive the sacrament of holy matrimony in the Catholic faith.
Just the two of us, building castles in the sky. Just the two of us, you and I. We look for love, no time for tears. Wasted water's all that is, and it don't make no flowers grow. Good things might come to those who wait, but not for those who wait too late. We gotta go for all we know. Just the two of us. We can make it if we try. Just the two of us. Just the two of us. Just the two of us. Building those castles in the sky. Just the two of us. You and I. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. I see the crystal raindrops fall on the window down the hall, and it outshines the morning dew.
I, Daniel,
Darling,
take you, Samantha,
morning
to be my wife. I promise to be faithful to you in good times and in bad.
in sickness and in health, to love you and honor you all the days of my life.
All of the days of my life.
if we try, just the two of us.
It is my honor and privilege to present to you Mr. and Mrs. Tsai. Congratulations.
Somebody save your soul, cause you've been sinning in the city. I know too many troubles, all these lovers got you losing control. You like a drug to me, a We could be screaming.